How to Mind Map in 7 Steps Study Tip Series. Mind mapping is a brainstorming technique that organizes information around a central topic or theme. Instead of writing down related information in a linear fashion, with mind mapping, you visually organize your thoughts, drawing lines off the central topic or theme to associated ideas, then drawing additional lines off those thoughts with additional ideas or thoughts, and so on. When creating a mind map, you may also use different colors, symbols, shapes, and/or fonts, or writing styles in the other areas of your diagram. For example, to represent similar concepts or connections between ideas. In the end, you're left with a visually impactful map of your thoughts and ideas. They are all linked together to allow you to see the connections between those thoughts and ideas. Being able to see those connections has a variety of advantages. Take the time to learn how to mind map with these 7 steps, and use the mind map principles to guide you and help you get the most out of your studying session. 1. Start in the center of a blank page. Turn the page sideways. Your brain has more freedom to spread out in all directions. 2. Use an image or picture for your central idea. An image is worth 1,000 words. It stimulates your imagination. It is more interesting. It keeps you focused. It helps you concentrate. 3. Use colors throughout. Colors are exciting to the brain. Colors add vibrancy and life to your mind map. Colors add energy to your creative thinking. 4. Connect main branches to the central image. Connect second and third level branches. The brain works by association. The brain likes to link things together. Linking the branches creates structure. 5. Make your lines curved. Straight lines are boring. Curved branches are attractive and help the brain to remember more of your important information. 6. Use one keyword per line. Single keywords give your mind map more power and flexibility. Each word or image creates its own association and connections. Each keyword is able to spark off new ideas and thoughts. Phrases dampen this triggering effect. 7. Use images throughout. Each image is worth 1,000 words. 10 images will give you 10,000 words. Try to memorize these 7 steps. Use the mind map overview of the 7 steps to help you remember. You are now armed with all the knowledge to create your first mind map using both words and images. Mind mapping is great for helping you to find better solutions and find them faster, retain information, and increase productivity. Clearly, mind mapping has some great advantages. It can help you find better and more creative solutions to problems, improve information retention, facilitate more effective brainstorming sessions during your studying, and deliver a serious boost to your productivity. Let us know if you try out these tips or share some of your own mind mapping ideas down below.